Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the revision test. Name any two buttons on Quick Access toolbar in MS Access. Okay, any student? Yes, Bunny.
Sir, undo and redo.
Undo, redo, save. Okay, these buttons are available in the Quick Access toolbar in MS Access. Question number 2. Write the full form of following. RDBMS. Yes, other student, please participate in this. Yes, Bani.
Relational data, sir, the relational database management system software.
Relational database management system. Okay. Then DSL. This is given in your book, beta, page number 11. This is called digital subscriber line. जो आपके पास टेलीफोन लाइन कनेक्शन जो आता है आपके पास लैंडलाइन का, that is called digital subscriber line. Digital subscriber line. Next question is, write the command for the following to set primary key. Any student? Raise your hand. Yes, Astha. Anmol.
Yes, sir.
But how we can set primary key?
Primary key.
No. No.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
design view, tools group, primary key option.
Yes. In a design, I'm also giving here example. Look at here. So look at here. In design view, then in the case of a design view, then you will go to the select any particular field, click on design tab, tools group, primary key button. This is the way. Next is how to create table. So in the create tab, table design, but in a tables group, table design button for creating table in design view, table button for creating table in that data sheet view. So these are the two things. Next is name any two type of a database along with one example of each. So two type of databases. One is flat database. Example is Excel, PowerPoint, MS Word. And another is relational database. Example is in the case of your MS Access, Oracle, okay. These are example of a relational database. Next is name any four objects of database. Yes, Anvay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any
Tables,
four objects?
forms, reports, queries.
Yes, table, forms, reports, and queries. Next is name the suitable data type for the following. Data type is used to embed an object created in another application. Yes, Bani.
Sir, attachment.
No. This is not an attachment. There is OLE, OLE, object linking and embedding. Bani, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second one, can store link to web pages, websites, or files. It is hyperlink. This is hyperlink. Yes. Next is store text and number up to 65,536 characters. So this is, yes, any student?
Memo data type.
Memo data type. Data type used to store calculated values. So data type is calculated. Next is any two advantages of networking. So we can share data, we can share hardware devices, okay? Efficient use of storage media, reduction in hardware cost, efficiency, reduce redundancy, quickest document delivery. These are the different advantages of networking. Next is table is given here, and there are some questions regarding that. First question is suggest which field can act as primary key. Any student? Yes, Anve.
P number.
It is P number because it provides us unique data. Name hame or his period history, then date. These are not these fields are not providing a unique data, but here P number can be set as a primary key. Next is what is the data type of P name? Students, hurry up. P name data type. Jevan. Yes, beta. What is the data type of P name and PDOA? Hurry up, beta, give the answer.
P name text data type.
P name is a text data type. Very good.
And PDOA numerical data type.
No, it is date/times, date and time. Is it clear, Anmol?
Yes, sir.
Next is which view is used to enter more records in above that table? In which field we can enter the data?
Data sheet.
It is a data sheet view. We can create the table in the data sheet and the design view, but we can enter the data only in the data sheet view. So this is your revision test. Today you will get back your checked answer sheets. So if you have any doubt, raise your hands. Yes, beta. Unmute yourself.
सर my bike सर आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे मेरे से सर
Beta, there was one question from your revision test. So now another student gave the answer of this one.
सर वो मेरा माइक नहीं वर्क कर रहा था ना सर वो थोड़ा सा
Okay.
अभी
No any issue with that. No any issue. Okay, students. Now I am quickly revise these three chapters. Okay. So now first is data type. Okay. This is chapter number 4. Okay, students, name any 4 data types. Hurry up. 4 data types. Yes, Bani.
OLE, hyperlink, memo data type, text data type.
Yes, very good. Next is question number 2. Difference between text and memo data type. Anmol.
Yes, sir.
Difference between text and
Memo data type can store the text and numbers up to 65, 536 characters, and
yes.
text data type can store a text uh, uh, and it don't require calculations.
No, it can store the data up to 55 characters only. Okay. And the similarities in both we can enter alphanumeric values. Question of next question is for Jevan. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
2 views available in MS Access.
So datasheet view and design view.
Yes, data sheet view and design view.
Design view.
Next question is 2 parts of design to window. This question is for
Sir, मैं
Khushi.
दूं? Sir, मैं दूं?
Yes, you
Jevan.
can give the answer.
Sir, field grid pane or field properties pane.
Field grid pane and field property pane. These are the 2 parts of your design view window. Next question. Which view is used for entering the data in the table? Yes, Bani.
Sir, please repeat the question.
In which view is used for entering the data?
The data sheet view.
This is data sheet view. Very good. Next question is name the 2 way for creating the 2 different methods for creating the table. Bhavika.
Sir, please repeat the question.
2 different methods for creating the data, creating the table.
Create tab, tables, group, tables option.
No. I'm not saying it, steps, method name only. In design view and in data sheet view. Next is how we can shift from one view to another view. Yes, any student. Veda. Yes. Yes, Bani.
So home tab, view group, view option.
Yes, home tab, then view group, and then yes, repeat again, Veda. Other student can listen.
Sir, view. Sir,
Yeah.
home tab, view group, view option.
Yes, view option, view button, you can say. Next is which shortcut key is used to save the changes in the table and then close the table? Ashna. Yes, quickly give the answer. Wait a 1 minute. Control plus W. This is the shortcut key for saving and storing, saving your data and then close the table. This is Control plus W. Next is next question is for Akshima. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Two type of databases.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
Two types of databases.
Flat side database and relational database.
Very good. Next is two example of flat database. Mehak Pret.
Yes, sir.
Two examples of flat file database.
Sir, MS Excel.
No, MS Excel. Yes,
Ex-
you can give MS Access, MS Excel. Okay. Next question is any two examples of relational database. Jevon,
Sir, MS Access and SQL.
Microsoft SQL, Oracle, MS Access.
Microsoft Access.
Very good, beta. Next
Sir,
is
correct किया आपने?
next is any four object of database. Bani.
Tables, queries, field record.
Yes, these are table, queries, forms, and reports. Next question is any three elements of table. Bhavika.
Yes, sir.
Beta, any three elements of table. Yes, hurry up, better quickly give the answer. Your answer is field, record, and data. Field, record, and data. Next question is any four features of MS Access. Avni. Navru. Yes, better quickly unmute yourself. Pulkit. Bani, any four features of MS Access?
Sir, Access provides the facility to break large information into small parts. Data redundancy is
Reduce.
reduced.
Reduce.
Is reduced and it helps us to make the information in tabular form, and it is used to and it helps to
Hmm.
and increases the
It provide-
efficiency and speed and flexibility.
Yes, it provides us data security also. Next question is what is primary key? Yes, Tanushka, what is primary key? Yes, Avni.
It is a sort of check that identifies every record uniquely.
Yes. It is a, you can say, field that uniquely identify each record in a table. This is called primary key. What we call when primary key is set on the combination of more than one key, what we call it? Anmol.
Composite key.
Yeah, it is called a composite key. Next question is, any four component of MS Access? Yes, Anmol.
Title bar, status bar, navigation pane, navigation buttons.
Yes, very good, beta, very good. Next question is, which key combination is used to quit MS Access? Yes, Bani.
Sir, Alt key.
Alt plus F4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, this combination is used to quit the MS Access. Next question is, the extension of MS Access file. Yes, Anmol.
.accdb.
.accdb. This is the shortcut key for it is a you can say extension of MS Access file. Wait. Next question is, dash are the certain set of rules that determines how data should be transferred over network. Yes. Yes, Tanushka, yes, give the answer. Yes, Paramjeet.
Sir, protocols.
Yes, protocols are the certain set of rules that determine how data should be transferred over network. Next question is, any four examples of network? Any four examples of network? Yes, Bani. Jaivan.
Yes, sir.
Any four examples of network?
Sir, for example, of network, sir. Network of schools, network of railway stations, network of roads, network of schools.
Very good, beta. Very good. Next is, any four advantages of networking? So, yes, Bani.
So file share can be possible, hardware and software sharing can be possible, communication can be possible.
Yes. Next is, another name of network card. This is also called Ethernet card. Next question is, any three component of networking? Network card, network cable, networking cable, hub and switch. Next question is, a different component of wireless networking. These are wireless network card. Number two, access point. Access point is also called router. Next is, three type of networking. It is PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. Full form of PAN is personal area network, LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network, WAN is wide area network. Example of PAN, when we connect your mobile phone with your computer system, it's a PAN. Example of LAN, your computer lab, local office, or any bank branch. Example of MAN, local cable TV. Next is example of WAN. It is internet, ATM. These are the examples of wide area network. Two type of network architecture. These are client server environment, and number two is peer-to-peer. In client server, there is one main computer that is called server, and other computer that these are called nodes and also called client are connected with the main computer. In peer-to-peer network, all the computers having equal preference and equal importance, these are connected with each other to share the data. Next is two type of network security: login security and write security.